Hey guys, this is Queenie. I'm just going to be showing you guys my exotic curly full lace frontal. It's 150 density. I'm just going to show you guys how to flat iron it today. So basically it's just like a regular blowout. If you guys ever did a silk press or anything, you have to blow it out first and then go in and flat iron it because this is curly hair. You want to treat it like, human hair. So I'm just section it off so I can start blowing it out. I'm going to detangle it. And it's really easy to detangle. Very soft, curly, bouncy, luscious curls. So here I just got a round brush, and you want to add tension from the root with the brush and start blow drying down just to make sure that you're smoothing the hair, because if you go in the opposite direction, of course, you'll be making it frizzy. So yeah, I'm just blow drying. All right, y'all, so I'm at the top now, and I'm just continuing to do the tension at the top, so that you're making sure that the root is also smooth as well as the ends. And I'll be back with the finished look of the blowout. So this is what the hair looks like fully blown out, and then we're just gonna go ahead and flat iron it. You want to start by sectioning the hair off and grab your flat iron. I'm using a Paul Mitchell flat iron. You can use a silicone based oil, heat protectant, but I didn't use any because that tends to weigh down hair. Oil tends to weigh down hair, and you don't really need one. You'll see it'll get very, very smooth without it. You want to work the root a couple times and use a comb, because the comb helps to smooth the hair in front as the flat iron presses it. And look how silky smooth that hair gets. Like, come on. Like, this it's sickening, y'all. Like, for real. But yeah, so I'm just going to go ahead and flat iron the exotic curly hair. All right, y'all, so this is what the hair looks like after I flat ironed it. I left the front piece out so that you could see the difference between just the blown out part and actual flat iron. You see how silky smooth it gets when you flat iron it versus, you still have a little bit of texture when you do a blowout. But come on. And this is the end. Excuse my head, y'all. I'm sorry. And I had to adjust the camera a little bit too, but this is how it looks blown out. It's gorgeous, beautiful. It still has this luster, still has body, and that's it. Next, I'm going to show you, I'm going to put it on and let you see what it looks like. All right, y'all, so this is what it looks like. This is my finished product. Flat ironed exotic curly. I think I did a good job. Stay tuned, I'm gonna recurl it. All right, so you want to use a large wide tooth comb so that you're not snagging at the hair, because a really small tooth comb snags and pulls at the hair. And then I'm just gonna grab my water bottle and start getting that shit wet it up, just spray it up. All right, so now we're gonna spray it, and you want to, just like when we were doing the blow dry, make sure you get the roots, because you don't want no curly ends and no straight hair. It's just, you're gonna be looking crazy. All right, so you just want to make sure that you're combing it as you go through to make sure that the water is getting all the way through the hair, so all the hair curls. All right, y'all. So this is what it looks like before I take off my scarf. As you can tell, I'm feeling myself. Yes. Yes. Look at that hair flip. Period. All right, so here's the final product. I hope y'all like it. Don't forget to drop a comment. Tell me what other videos you want to see. I also do makeup. And don't forget to do a thumbs up and like this video and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you learned something. I hope you gained some type of value from my video, and I appreciate you guys. Thanks.